think I got the temperature right on this bad boy now. I didn't put this in, I didn't install it, but you can see it's close to 350. We're just gonna give some of these pieces a turn. That's all. We might not need it yet. Nah, not yet. Maybe that one. Yeah, let's go ahead. That looks really good. Some of them. Again, get real nice like that, guys. Go ahead and turn it. That does not take long. Close that all the way. Probably, just to finish these off, put the sauce on them and just put them in the oven for a little bit. They don't burn too much. They already got the smoky flavor from the charcoal, grill flavor from the charcoal, And I can go ahead and get another. Oh, no, that one bites the dust. So, I'm going to go ahead and get another tray. I can't leave that out here either because who knows what's going to come to that. Now, the apple glaze, you're going to hit it right on, but you go around to create a nice, sealed, moist pocket. And me, just for the hell of it, I go ahead. Check the progress. Still gotta do them last two. These them Chili's baby back ribs, huh? Baby back ribs.